In the hard, wild desert, the law of survival has never shown mercy. As a new day begins, the mother bird struggles to search for the little food she can find to feed her young. While the mother roadrunner struggles through thorny bushes in search of the little food she can find, death has silently crept toward her net. The snake is getting closer and closer to the net, and a deadly threat to their survival is approaching. The snake is getting closer and closer to the net, and a dangerous threat to their survival is approaching. The innocence of the chicks could not stop the cold-blooded predator. With one lightning-fast strike, the rattlesnake clamped its prey tightly in its mouth and began to flee. The mother roadrunner returns in panic when she realizes the nest feels empty because one chick is missing. Her heartbreaking cries tear through the stillness of the air. A chase to reclaim the chick-ass life begins. Despite the danger, its fury drives it to chase the enemy all the way to the mouth of the burrow. Standing at the mouth of the burrow, it screams and tries to intimidate the enemy, but the layers of dirt and stone have clearly trapped every last hope. And then, tears fall onto the dry, barren sand, tears of helplessness and overwhelming pain. Dawn breaks, signaling the start of a new day. The snake follows its old habit and returns to the bird's nest from yesterday, because there are still 2 chicks left in the nest. As usual, the mother bird begins to go out in search of food. However, this time she is more cautious, staying close to the nest and only looking for food in the nearby area. The snake continues to slowly approach the nest. The mother bird searches for food while warily keeping her eyes on her nest. The snake slowly watches the nest in front of it, as if it is confirming something. However, this time the mother bird has spotted it and is rushing back. Although she was very cautious and detected the danger at the time, she was still one step too late. The snake grabbed another chick in its mouth and continued to flee. Another chase begins. Will the mother bird be able to save her chick this time? Thanks to the early discovery from the short distance, the mother bird quickly reached the snake. With a single peck, he managed to rescue the chick from the snake's mouth. However, danger was far from her. Facing the enemy, the mother bird spreads her wings wide to shield her chick. She keeps striking with sharp head, and the two animals begin to fight. The battle becomes fierce. While fighting and protecting the chick at the same time, the mother bird is accidentally bitten by the snake, leaving her wings. Sensing an opportunity, the snake tightens its grip around the mother bird. The reptile escapes the coil, slowly draining away the mother's strength, on the fragile boundary between life and death, just as the mother is about to collapse. A miracle has occurred. The father bird rushes in like an arrow. With the strength of his muscles and the fury of a father, he launches a deadly strike, forcing the enemy to release his mate. In the end, the courage and ferocity of the pair make the deadly snake retreat. The family is reunited in ragged breath. The moment of death has passed. The storm has fallen behind them. No, the wounds may still be blighting, but their family is whole together once again. Under the glow of the sunset, the parent birds gently guide and teach their little one to take its very first steps. It closes a heroic and tragic story of maternal love, and the unmatched strength of family in the face of harsh nature. This story closes with more than just a lingering sense of emotion. It also reminds us that family is always the place that gives us